Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to restore deleted files on Android phone. So I have a few methods for you to work around for this one. Method 1. Check the trash or list on the deleted folder. You can go here by opening the app menu, look for menu and library, select trash and recently deleted. Everything you've deleted for the past 30 days, and again, 30 days only, can find on that option right there. Select everything you want to restore and click restore. Method 2 is use Google Drive Backup. Just by opening your Google Drive, search the bar and enter the file name. If the file appears, select download, and you're done. For the next one, use a file recovery app. These are the popular applications for recoveries: Disk Digger, Dumpster, and Dr. Phone. Basically, download them for your Play Store, and you'll be good to go. Alright? Now, for the last one, method 4, restore from cloud storage services. Step is going to be opening the respective cloud storage app, sign in, navigate to deleted, and find restore desired files. Anyway, everything here comes down to method 1. Just go to the trash or bin and select everything you want to restore, and you'll be good to go. That's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.